every one of us out there, we love some hydrating face wash which actually cleanse our skin very well but do not strip off all the natural moisture and all the natural oils from our skin. And a face wash which hydrate my skin very well. Dot and Key Barrier Repair Plus Hydrating Gentle Face Wash with 5 ceramides and Japanese rice water. A very lightweight gel texture. Infused with hyaluronic, it is a soap-free SLS SLES free formula. It has such a mild fragrance which gives you a very soothing and very mild kind of sensation. My skin is super cleansed and very soft and super hydrated. Guys, if you have normal dry sensitive skin type, then hurry up and grab this gentle face wash for yourself.